Hi, this is Lyle Alexander. I want to introduce you to MoneyLine. Click the link in the description below. Let's have an ATM party. Click the link in the description below. ATMparty.com. Let's go. Leads, traffic, list building all in one for free with MoneyLine. Click the link in the description below. Let's have an ATM party. MoneyLine's very unique compensation plan is incredible. It will blow you away. Click the link in the description below and let's go have an ATM party. Go to ATMparty.com. Five, four, three, two, one. ATMparty.com. Let's go.